Welcome to the ilFornino Pizza Academy. I'm Carl from Hot Carl's Pizza, and we're today looking at the ilFornino Fiamma Rossa Series. First, the Mini Fiamma Rossa, which is a good size for a backyard. If you're just getting started making pizzas, you don't have to make too many at once, then we definitely recommend getting the Fiamma Rossa Mini. The features of it are an adjustable height stand up to 44 inches. And we also have the flue that's removable with the damper. This can go inside the oven if you want to take it off, if you're traveling with this, and if you want to put the cover on, it makes it much easier to do that. And then we have the Fiamma Rossa Media, which is the middle size. In between, you got this heavy, solid door. I can't tell really, but it's super heavy and super durable, which is great for maintaining that heat inside the oven. So between pizzas, you can put this back on and let everything get heated up if it's winter time, if you're making a bunch of pizzas in a row. And the cooking surface, one solid surface, again, adjustable height, so you can make sure your back is in good shape after cooking a bunch of pies. Okay, of course, it's got the removable flue and adjustable height, and this is a great oven for you. That's the middle version. And lastly, we have the Fiamma Rossa Grande, which is a little bit longer, same width as the Fiamma Rossa Media, and it's, again, solid cooking surface. 44-inch height on the stand, which is really excellent for being able to kind of see the pizza cooking without having to get down too much or get down too low. As we're getting older, right, it makes it much more manageable to make pizza. So if you're in the market for an oven, certainly look into the Fiamma Rossa series from ilFornino, the Grande, the Media, and the Mini. All excellent choices. You will not be disappointed.